Hi guys, Kelsey here for Wolf Industries with another model tour. We're going to check out our Model E, a 2-bed, 1-bath, 616 square foot unit, and we're starting here on our covered porch. We have an 8x10 covered porch. It's got a gable roof, which matches the house gable. So depending on what roof style you've chosen, that's what your porch cover is going to look like. Nice big open space into our front entry. Let's check it out. Welcome inside our Model E kitchen, dining, living room space. A nice big open space. And I'm gonna start here with this center where it could potentially be a dining room table, but we also have an optional island that could be in this space to provide extra cabinets and overhang seating area so you don't need a dining room table. Behind me, our L-shaped kitchen where we have a full appliance package. We've got upgraded white shaker. We have a standard countertop as an option, quartz, and we've added a 6-inch backsplash, which matches that countertop, along with a nice undermount sink as one of our upgrade options. Spanning out into our living room area, which a great wall, couple choices for a TV. You can have a couch, love seat, side table, all of that in this big open space. And I'm gonna throw out a second option for where your dining room table could go. You've got a nice front window, beautiful view to have your breakfast, lunch, and dinner right in this space. Over to our second bedroom. Now this one, full width because we are following the width of the house in this space. So it's a nice, good, open second bedroom. We've got upper window here, nice headboard option for a queen, twin, maybe even bunk beds, depending on how many people you have in this space, along with our washer and dryer and full-size closet. Modifications in Wolf houses happen a lot. Might suggest switching this. You can move washer and dryer, water heater. You have options, which in this space, we also have the water heater in this closet. So again, things can move maybe over to the second bedroom to provide a full-size closet in this second bedroom with your shelf and rod. Out back into our living room, we're gonna take a look up. We have pine tongue and groove accent up here in our gable. This pine tongue and groove can go on your ceiling. It can go as an accent wall, anywhere you want. We also have a shiplap option, which is pretty cool too. And one more time, we're gonna look up to our mini split. That is our heat and AC in all of our units. It is going to cover the space. It's central in the house, and each bedroom has an additional wall heater to help with that heat. Down the hallway, again, we are a 2-bed, 1-bath. We saw the second bedroom. We're gonna cut into the bathroom now, where we are 5 feet wide for a standard tub or shower. We have done the shower insert in this unit, standard. You could also do a tub shower, and I'm gonna point something out in case you haven't come for a tour yet. Between this insert and the subfloor, there is a concrete pour to make it nice and sturdy, so you're not gonna have any cracks, no give, nothing in that insert that you choose. Over to standard vanity. Again, standard is always gonna be a white shaker with a frost white countertop in your bathroom. Mirror, plugs, nice space for your bathroom unit. Over to the main bedroom, where we're gonna walk in again to a big open space. You've got plenty of room for a queen and even a king bed. And I'm gonna call out this window again. It is 5 feet wide, which is the size of a queen bed. So if you can envision a queen bed here, it would show the spacing that you have to provide nightstands along that queen bed. And the outlets. We have outlets already scheduled on each side of the bed so that your nightstands are fully powered and ready to go. And the additional space on the side, you could even fit a king, plugs ready to go. Maybe shrink up the nightstands a bit, but a king can fit in here. Heading around, we've got, again, a big open space, closet, a double closet in this unit, shelf and rod all the way down, and crawl space access. So our houses have utilities down in the floor. Once we are on that foundation, you need to have access to that, and we would do that through that crawl space. Wrapping up our Model E tour, that was a 2-bed, 1-bath, 616 square foot unit. Please follow, like, subscribe, comment down below. And if you haven't reached out already and you have questions, we have property evaluations, phone consults, idea tours. We are here to help.